Hello, and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at StyleWell Lincoln Unfinished Wood Bar Stool. And before I open the box, I noticed that there's this string, and in the string it says that there's the hardware and manual inside. So let's take a look inside. Now the stools themselves, they measure 44.54 inches in height and also 17.55 inches in depth and 20.32 inches width. And it's a set of two, so you gotta put them together. So let's take a look inside the box. So there's one piece. And it has an unfinished look, but it has a matte finish, semi-satin probably. So it looks like it's sealed. So it looks like you don't have to do much to it. Oh, there's the hardware manual. Here are the legs with the protection on the bottom. And this is the back, of course. I like the finish. You don't have to do anything. I thought I was gonna have to stain them, but no, you don't have to stain them. Look, nice finish all together. So here we have the box. And here are the rest of the pieces. They have letters. That's an E. This is a C. It's nice and heavy. I like the finish here. And it does have the part number over here, F. Oh, here's the hardware. It also has nice directions on what the pieces are. Here are the instructions. So you have this one piece, the back, then the seat, and then the rest you gotta assemble them together. So you need a Phillips screwdriver. Not here, but hopefully you have one. Safety goggles, a lever, all these things that are in here. Here is the way you assemble it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces all together with their designated screws. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, and you're done. Now I have the back piece here and the seat on this side. So let's get ready to assemble it. On the instructions it says to get part A, part B, and a few other things. 4 of the FF, 4 CCs, 4 BBs. So here you go and look for your letters. The first one's F. So let's get 2 FFs. Two are for one side and 2 are for the other side. Then you also need C and B. There's your C, here's your B. These 2 are B's. One, 2, 3, and 4. And I got 4 of these. 2 on this side, 2 on that side. There you have it. So it says to put the seat here with the narrow side down towards the back. And you have the holes on this here. And you gotta match them with these. So to set this up, you have to put in first the C, which is this one, the small one, then the B, and then you put them in here. Try to do it by hand first. Once you know if the thread is in there good. Then you can use the little tool that they provided. And if you do have power tools, on the instructions it said not to use them. So take some of your time and do it by hand. It's not recommended with the tools because you might strip one thing or the other. So I've completed to assemble the stool, and this is the finished product. And it has a very nice finish, like I was telling you earlier. If you do want to keep it this way, it does have the protective cover. And if you do want to change the color or change the finish, all you have to do is give it a light sand and you can stain it afterwards. But I like the fact that if you want to keep the natural look, this is it. To me, this way it looks great already. It holds up to 300 pounds, so that's sufficient for me. Hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the stool. Enjoy.